In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot content in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. If you're managing analytics or marketing pixels, Google Tag Manager lets you control everything from one place without editing code on every page. HubSpot has a built-in integration that makes this setup quick and reliable. We'll walk through where to find the setting, how to connect your container, and a few tips to keep things clean and accurate. Start by signing into your HubSpot portal and landing on the main home dashboard. From the top navigation bar, click the gear-shaped settings icon. This takes you into your account settings area, where most website controls live. On the left sidebar, look for the Tools section. Under Tools, navigate to Website, then select Pages. This is where you manage page-related settings that apply across your HubSpot-hosted content, including integrations like Google Tag Manager. Inside the Pages settings, open the Integrations tab. You'll see an option to integrate with Google Tag Manager. Click that to begin the connection. HubSpot's integration automatically places the required snippets in the right spots across your pages, so there's no need to paste code manually. When prompted, enter your Google Tag Manager container ID. It typically looks like GTM XXXX. You can copy this from your Tag Manager workspace header. Make sure you're using the correct container for the site you're tracking, and avoid adding spaces or extra characters, just the ID itself. You do not need to paste the full script. HubSpot only needs the ID to inject the code for you. After entering the ID, click Save. That's it. The integration is now active. HubSpot will place the necessary code on your HubSpot-hosted pages that use your templates, which helps ensure consistent tracking across your content. A few quick tips as you wrap up. It can take a few minutes for changes to propagate. To verify everything is working, open a live page and use a tool like Tag Assistant or your browser's developer tools to confirm the container is firing and the ID matches your entry. If you previously added analytics scripts directly to your templates, consider removing duplicates and managing them through Tag Manager to avoid double counting. Also note that you may need appropriate permissions in HubSpot to access and edit these settings. And that's the process. You went from the HubSpot home dashboard into Settings, found Tools and Pages, opened the Integrations tab, connected Google Tag Manager with your container ID, and saved your changes. Now your HubSpot content is ready to be tracked and optimized from one central place.